Hi YouTube, today I want to play Animal Jam. So I found the key. Well, not now, but this is another key. But I opened the gate in the house. There's like a second guy who's on a couch, and I just talked to him. He's like, "Oh, look, I found the black key. Probably that's the passing key to open the gate." Then I open it. Then now I found another. I found another key. It says find four keys and rescue the trapped bunnies. You serious? Oh, chest. Right. Ah. Never mind. Let's go. Let's go. Get my keys in room for it. YOLO mode. YOLO! Yeah, yeah, sucker. Thank you. Thank you. Jack. Hey. Whoa. Oh, froze his head. What the heck? Okay. Thank you for saving me. You're my hero. Okay, I want save you guys. Just let me. So we're gonna finish. Well, not now, but when I finish it, I want Enra just leave a record. So, oh god, oh my, captains, I'm not captains. Playing, yeah. Thank you for money, so I can buy new costumes. I mean, not costume, but clothes. Okay. And just one more key. Just stay there. Wait. Okay. I'm just rubbing my teeth. I'm bored. That's why. Oh, shut. Shut. Oh. Come on. Eat him. Yes, thank you. I'm actually a wolf, but okay. Let's go. Dun 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 dun. Narnia. Imagine when I get there, so like just like a main path. Great job. Next. Oh yes, Jeep. Oh, finally we did it! We did it! Level 2 now. Training grounds. Wait, did we unlock new levels? Return. Oh no. Oh yeah, yes! Oh, we took off, man. Oh, we need to turn that. Oh, I wanna have a. Oh, that's awesome. I'm doing the club so much. But there's only 2 levels for us. Oh, but there's more. Oh. Oh, fuck, I can't do it. Okay. You like my hand? Yeah, It's pretty cool, huh? No, it's pretty sucky, yeah. Shop. Pretty sensitive, you know? Pretty sensitive. Oh, wait. Glasses. Fuck! Yes. No, but that's the one. I want to buy something for my body. I want to be naked. Wait, that's all of it? Fuck. This part. Oh yes, it's for us. Yes. But bad thing is, it's just, just. Whoa! What the hell? Yeah. Oh yo. I look like that. No, if I don't. Oh yeah. Oh, it's okay. I don't know what to do. Just play games, right? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yes. Oh, I'm just a normal horse. Oh, that sucks. Oh, wait, can I buy stuff for my horse? Well, not my horse, but like I can just style it how I want it. I'm only gonna use a carrot when I'm losing. And I crash, never mind. Yeah. See, like this. Fuck. See, he's smart. Fuck. What? Why second place? Same one. Okay. How can this one be pink and just all white? See, I don't use it when I start, because you just wait out. See, this is what's going on here. Oh fuck, yeah, I like that. Yeah, Kim. See, he's smart. Wow, fuck. I forgot I can do it. Pop, jump! Oh. Oh, yes! Ah. Thank you if you said bless you. Whoa! Okay. Okay, we're going to end this episode here. If you enjoyed, don't forget leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to become an alchemist. And yeah, guys.